Just left the shop. There is the mileage on the odometer. So let's see what happens. Okay guys, here we are. 252,000 miles. Okay, so that means we have gone 50,000 miles on this current automatic transmission fluid and filter change. This is the second ATF change. There's not much else to report. I mean, the vehicle is driving the exact same way that it did 50,000 miles ago. I am going to go ahead and change the fluid again, fluid and filter, as soon as possible. It probably won't be today, nor will it be tomorrow, but probably within the next couple of weeks or so, I will go on and change the fluid and the filter again and keep striving or, striding towards the goal of 310,000 miles, because that would be 200,000 miles of driving on this current. This is the original transmission in the vehicle. My goal is to basically prove that if you change the fluid and the filter every 40 to 50,000 miles, then your transmission will treat you a lot better. At least the 6R80 will. I think any transmission will. We need to stop with this whole thing about thinking that there's lifetime fluid and all that nonsense in the transmission. There's not, okay? You have to change the fluid and the filter just like you change the oil and the filter for your engine. You have to do these things, people. If you do not do these things, then you're gonna lose your engine. You're gonna lose your transmission. You know what I mean? If you don't maintenance the car, you're gonna have problems. Just for a quick recap, all of my issues started around 109,000 miles. So from 110,000 miles to 188,000 miles, I used Instant Shutter Fix. At 188,000 miles, just shy of it, I decided to change the fluid and the filter for the first time ever with this vehicle. So this vehicle has had the transmission fluid changed along with the filter only twice. Once at 188,000 miles, and then again at 202,000 miles. If you guys have any other questions or you want to share your experience with a 2015 Lincoln Navigator or 2015 Ford Expedition, we welcome your comments. Thank you very much for watching. I'll have another update out to you very, very soon.